Hi all, in this lab, let us understand how to create a simple pub sub architectures with SNS and SQS queue. Okay, so publishing and subscribing are very two common components in a typical pub sub architectures where you publish a message and there will be thousands of not millions of subscribers to that message. Okay, so there are many use cases. It could be through websites or it could be through SMSs or some product updates, things like that, right? So let us get started to understand how to create an architecture like this. Now we have Amazon SQS, SNS service. Within that, we will have one topic which is called orders. Okay, this one topic we will create first, and then we will create a Amazon SQS queue of name orders. Okay, and then we will create a subscription on the SNS topic for the orders queue. Okay, now there's only one subscription here, but in reality, in production, you can have multiple subscribers also to the same topic, right? So now the way we will do is we will first send a test message, okay, that's called publishing a message through AWS CLI to the orders topic, and this message will be delivered to the subscribers, which is, I mean, all the subscribers, but in this case there is only one subscriber, which is the orders queue. Okay, so this is what we'll be demonstrating in the lab. Let's go to the source code. So in this lab, let us understand how to implement the simple SNS pub architecture using SQS queue. Okay. Now the primary code is residing in the sn.tf and sqs.tf. Okay. So here we are creating a simple SNS topic, okay, of name orders using the Terraform module. Okay. And I'm also creating certain policies to allow the SNS colon publish API for all the AWS services. I mean, all the AWS IAM principles. Okay, it could be role, it could be AWS service, right? Or a user. So all the users are given permission to publish a message to the SNS topic, and the resources section I created. I mean, I mentioned the ARN of the topic also, so that it is fine-grained access to the topic alone. Okay, so this is simple SNS topic creation and subscriptions. I just mentioned the SQS queue. Okay, so there is one subscriber right now, and if I go to SQS queue dot SQS.tf, if you see, this is the queue that I'm creating using the Terraform module, and I'm also providing certain queue policies to allow all the AWS IAM principles to send a message to the SQS queue. Okay, so this also granularly permitted. Okay, now let us just go and deploy this architecture using the Terraform init plan, and let us do Terraform apply. So it is done. I just now run that command a few minutes ago. So let us go to the console and see how the resources looks like. So we have one orders topic, okay, and there is one subscriber which is SNS SQS queue basically. Okay, so this is the queue ARN, and if I go to the queues, so there's orders queue, and you will also see the subscriptions here in the SNS SQS queue console also, and access policy allows all the IAM principals to send message. Okay, so how do we test it? So let me just test it using a simple message. Okay, so I'll just send using the AWS CLI. Okay, I'm getting the ARN of the topic through the Terraform output and sending that. Okay, now let us see whether the um, topic is receiving this message and sending back to the SQS queue. Okay, so if I go to the queue, now there was one message earlier, now there are two messages. Okay, so if I go here and click on the send and poll messages, I mean send and receive messages. So if I go here and poll for it, so I can see there are two messages available. And if you go here, you can see This is a test message that we have sent. Okay, and this is test message 2 that we have sent, the two messages that we have sent. Okay, so this is a very simple preliminary example of a pub sub architectures. There could be much more complicated scenarios, but this is a basic one using SNS and SQS queue.